We have in our midst abductees, Kenyans who were on the 25th of June arrested by Kenyan police, not wale ambao wanavalia baklava, put into police lorries and then driven around the city, sometimes 30 minutes or so from their own testimonies here, and then transferred to the famous Subarus. So there's no doubt these were arrested by the Kenyan police, men and women who are supposed to serve the nation under the National Police Service. And I am tempted to say this, that when we take over as united alternative government and other Kenyans of goodwill, we will have in real time to reform the National Police Service. Because they cannot continue this way. We know that under them there is IPOA, Independent Police Oversight Authority, completely toothless. Kenyans are crying out for justice.